guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things beauty related. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. I created this eyeshadow look using the new Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. This is my third look using this palette and I really enjoyed playing around with it. Yeah, so this is a super dramatic shimmery eye look and we're gonna jump right into it. First shade I'm going to go in with is Wit on a ColourPop E35 blending brush. Tapping off the excess. So Wit is a pink shade, like a matte, corally, nude pink shade. Now you can see it's blending out so nice. It has that rich salmon, baby pink, like nude, very wearable pink shade. So I am blending this all over my crease area, dragging up just a little bit because I do want this shade to be noticeable once I go over it with other colors. Dragging it here up underneath my brow. And this is a fluffy blending brush, which is absolutely perfect for getting in your crease area and blending out these shades. And this is a ColourPop E35 blending brush. This is one of my favorite brushes to get into your crease with because it just blends these shades out like a dream. So just like that was like the quickest crease blending out ever. Same brush, I'm gonna take the shade Beg, which is a deeper salmon shade than Wit, more of a purpley mauve shade, and I'm putting this really low in the crease, blending those two together. Really creating such a fun mauve pink crease. Go back in with Wit on the same brush, and I just want to blend out these edges, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And her mattes blend out so nice. They remind me a lot of like Viseart's formula. Very, very nice, and very little fallout, if you notice. Very little fallout. So I have a very pink mauve crease. We are going to get we're gonna get very dramatic and going with the shade Stiletto. It is a dark, rich brown shade, and I'm gonna go in on an A25. So this is risky business. I'm going with a very small amount. Look at that, so insanely pigmented. Like, her eyeshadow palettes are expensive, but you are definitely getting what you pay for. And I am just gonna blend this into the outer V, creating a dark outer V, but I don't want anything to be too dramatic. I think I picked the wrong brush. I wanted to go with a brush like this as I want it to be very soft, but it is a very dark shade. And now it's getting a little patchy, but that's because I picked the wrong brush. Get a smaller, more dense brush. A very old Coastal Scents brush. It is small, looks like that. I'm gonna go back in with this shade Stiletto, and I just want the darkest part to be here by my lash line and create some drama. Alright, so just building up a nice dark outer V area. I am gonna go over this with some shimmer, but it is a little patchy, but I think that's me and the brush and not the shadow. Next, I'm gonna take my finger and go in with the shade Mia. This shade is like a baby pink sparkly shade. I've been eyeing this ever since I got this palette. And I'm going to apply this to the inner half of my eye. Oh my, so absolutely gorgeous. It truly is like a mermaid pink shimmer. Like, do you see that? And going in with my finger dry, it's stunning. I could only imagine what this shade looks like when it's wet. I might apply a shade wet today because I like applying eyeshadows wet because it just gives them some kind of like an oomph. But like these look so pretty on their own, they don't really need it. But I think I am gonna go in with one of them wet. So next I'm gonna take the shade Filigree, which is the dark shimmer in the palette. And it's like a nice chocolate mocha shimmery shade. And I'm gonna pat that on the very, very end, kind of blending it in and then dragging it to the outer half. Oh my, that's pretty. They kind of clash, but I like it. Oh, that's pretty. So shimmery. Morphe JH41 and some Tarte setting spray. I love this stuff. I'm gonna wet my brush. Pretty good. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Mia. And look how she looks on that brush. So pretty. It's a lot of shadow, but I am going to put that right here in my eye. And wow. Look how mermaid. It's like hydro. What do they call that? And that just like took it to the next level. It was honestly just as pretty on its own, which kind of proves that when applying these shades wet and dry, they perform almost the same, which is like crazy and unheard of, but so pretty. And then while I have this brush and it's wet, I'm just gonna take this and apply this here to my bottom lash line. Take my finger in this darker shimmer. What is this called again? Filigree? Filigree, that dark chocolate shimmer shade. And I'm just gonna tap it underneath here. Just kind of rub it back and forth. I am doing all shimmers underneath the eye. I don't usually do this, but I am going in with a super rich chocolate eyeliner by Rimmel London. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. Wow. Wow. Okay. So this is the eyeliner I was talking about. It is a Rimmel London in the shade Brown 03. Rimmel London. It is like a shimmery brown liner. I'm going to apply this to my bottom waterline. There's that, and I'm gonna apply this to the part that has the dark shimmer. And I'm just gonna try and like smoke out a little bit here, the outer V or outer lash line. And I love the feeling of this eyeliner. It's like a gel or like cool, what is it? Waterproof gel pencil. And it just like glides on so easy. So I'm just kind of darkening up the outer V. You can honestly take the shade Stiletto and do that, but I want to keep mine shimmery, so I'm doing it with the eyeliner. My favorite inner corner highlight is Laura Mercier 01 highlight. I love this highlighter. You can see it's like domed here, and I barely put a dent in it. I use this all the time, and I absolutely love this. Highly recommend. So I am touching this here in my inner corner to really open up this look. And I'm gonna apply just a tad underneath my brow. And I just wanna see what the shade Fair, so there's a light shade called Fair. I just wanna take that and I just wanna put that under here too, just to see. Oh yeah, that's pigmented. Oh yeah, that's nice. So it's giving me a little bit of a brow. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush, the E35. I had the pink on it. Going with a little bit of wit. Just kind of blend out those edges. Bring the pink back. And take wit on that brush and just blend out my bottom lash line a little bit. Wow, looks like a mermaid. I'm gonna apply some Maybelline mascara and then some Ardell wispy lashes. All right, guys, so that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.